Good morning, dear students. Children, in this video, we are going to learn unit number 4, The World Around Us, from our GK book, Brain Quest. Subtopics of this unit are countries and their flags, guessing countries, world, cities, nickname. First, we will take the topic countries and their flags. Flag means jhanda. So flags are so that we belong to a community, organization or nation, and that we share beliefs, goals, rules and regulation. Flags are national symbols. Every country has got a specific flag as their national symbol. बच्चों, प्रत्येक देश को उनके राष्ट्रीय प्रतीक के रूप में एक विशिष्ट ध्वज मिला है. So, in this video, we are going to recognize flags of different countries. So, here we go. So, this is the flag of India. भारत का फ्लैग है ये और इसे तिरंगा के नाम से जानते हैं. This is the flag of China. This is the flag of Italy. And this is the flag of Afghanistan. This is the flag of Australia. This is the flag of Bangladesh. And this is the flag of Brazil. And this is how Canada's flag looks like. This is the flag of United States. And this is the flag of Germany. And this is the flag of Greece. And children, this is how Israel's flag looks like. Let us try this exercise from our book. Match the countries to their flags. हमें फ्लैग्स को रिकॉग्नाइज करना है कि कौन से कंट्री का है और मैचिंग करनी है. So first flag belongs to United States of America. पहला जो फ्लैग है वो यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स ऑफ अमेरिका का है. एंड द सेकेंड वन बिलोंग्स टू यूनाइटेड किंगडम. एंड थर्ड फ्लैग इज द फ्लैग ऑफ रशिया. एंड द फोर्थ वन इज आवर फ्लैग. हमारा फ्लैग है ये, हमारा झंडा है, तिरंगा है ये. सो India. This is the flag of India. Fifth one is the flag of Germany. And the last one is the flag of Japan. Next topic is guessing countries. In this topic, we have to recognize the name of country with the help of city's name and landmarks. So this is the picture of red square located in Moscow, and the name of country is Russia. Next one is Buckingham Palace, which is located in London, and the name of country is United Kingdom. In short, it is known as UK. This is the picture of Statue of Liberty located in New York City, and the name of country is United States of America. In short, it is known as USA. This is the picture of Char Minar located in Hyderabad, and the name of country is India. This is the picture of Big Ben, which is a clock tower located in London, UK. This is the picture of Eiffel Tower located in Paris, and the name of country is France. This is the Kuala Lumpur city, which is the capital of Malaysia. This is the picture of Opera House, located in Sydney, and the name of country is Australia. Let's try this exercise from our GK book. So question is, the city and landmark given below belong to the same country. Fill in the boxes to write the names of the countries. बॉक्सेस में नेम लिखने हैं कंट्रीज के, पिक्चर को रिकॉग्नाइज करना है कि ये कौन से कंट्री का लैंडमार्क है या सिटी है. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. मॉस्को रेड स्क्वायर लोकेटेड इन मॉस्को, एंड द नेम ऑफ द सिटी इज, थिंक, सोचिए. यस, द नेम ऑफ द सिटी इज रशिया. वेरी गुड. नेक्स्ट वन इज Buckingham Palace, located in London, and the name of country is United Kingdom, UK. Third one is Statue of Liberty, located in New York City, and the name of country is USA, United States of America. Next one is Charminar, located in Hyderabad, and the name of country is India. Fifth one is Big Ben, which is a clock tower located in London, and the name of country is United Kingdom, UK. Next one is Eiffel Tower, located in Paris, and the name of country is France. Next, the picture of city Kuala Lumpur, which is the capital of Malaysia. Next one is Opera House, located in Sydney, and the name of country is Australia. Now next topic is world cities nicknames. Children, many cities across the world have adopted popular nicknames that are almost as well known as the city itself. बच्चों, पूरे विश्व में बहुत सारे ऐसे देश या सिटीज़ हैं जिनके निकनेम भी हैं, जो निकनेम उनको पूरी तरह से जस्टिफाई करते हैं. जैसे हमारे देश को सोने की चिड़िया कहा जाता था, निकनेम था सोने की चिड़िया हमारे देश का. ऐसे ही और भी देश और सिटीज़ हैं जिनके निकनेम्स हैं. So let us know. Bangkok. Bangkok is also known as Venice of the East. Next one is Aberdeen. It is also known as the Granite City because of grey stone buildings. And next one is New York, the city that never sleeps. Next city is Paris, and the nickname of Paris is the City of Lights. Next one is Venice. It is also known as the City of Canals, Nehru ka शहर. Next one is Rome. It is also known as the Eternal City. Now let's try this exercise from our GK book Brain Quest. Match these cities of the world with their nicknames. First one is Bangkok, is also known as Venice of the East. Aberdeen is also known as the Granite City. New York is also known as the city that never sleeps. Next one is Paris. Paris is also known as the City of Lights. Venice is also known as the City of Canals. Next one is Rome. The nickname of this city is the Eternal City. Children, for today this much only. Now note down your homework. Children, you have to complete page number 27, 28 and 29 of your GK book. Thank you. Have a nice day.